The first step to pack your clothes in a suitcase is to lay out everything you're going to pack. Once you've got everything laid out, it's time for folding. The most important thing about folding clothes is making sure they have enough room to move around in your suitcase. If your shirts and pants are all made from wrinkle-resistant fabric, then it's best not to fold them at all. Just roll them up into a tight bundle and use every inch of space in your suitcase. If they are made from cotton or other fabric, then you should fold them as little as possible. Start with the largest articles of clothing and pack them first. This includes shirts, pants, dresses, and suits. Pack underwear next, followed by socks, then shoes. At last, pack anything that doesn't fit into your suitcase. This includes bulky accessories like scarves, belts, and bulky outerwear, such as jackets and sweaters.